In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring an image to the front in your digital project. Understanding how to manipulate image layers is crucial for creating visually appealing designs, and knowing this simple technique can help you emphasize key elements and improve the overall look of your work. Let's start by clicking on the image you wish to move. Now, when you're selecting your image, make sure you have the correct one highlighted. This action ensures that any subsequent changes apply solely to the image you've chosen. If you're having trouble selecting the image due to overlapping elements, try zooming in or moving other objects temporarily to gain better access. Once you've clicked on the desired image, the next step is to right-click. Right-clicking will open a context menu that provides various options associated with the selected image. Remember, context menus are a convenient way to access specific settings and actions without navigating through multiple toolbars or tabs. In this menu, you'll find plenty of functionalities you can explore later, but for now, we'll focus on one thing: arranging your layers. After right-clicking, hover your cursor over the Arrange option listed among the menu choices. Keeping your mouse steady over Arrange will trigger a secondary menu. It's important to note that this feature may be labeled differently depending on the software you're using. However, it's generally consistent across various platforms. In the secondary menu, you'll see several options related to how your image can be layered in relation to other elements within your project. Here, you'll want to select Bring to Front. This option ensures your chosen image is layered above all others, making it the most visible element in that specific stack of content. This function is particularly useful in scenarios where an image needs to be emphasized or featured prominently in your design. Now, there are some additional tips to keep in mind. Bringing an image to the front can sometimes disrupt the harmony of your design, so be sure to review your layout after this action. Adjust and reposition your image if necessary to maintain your intended visual balance. Also, if you decide to make further changes, remember you can always access these options again by repeating the same process. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to bring an image to the front in your digital projects. By mastering such basic yet essential skills, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling and professional looking designs. Keep experimenting with these tools to enhance your artistry and explore the endless creative possibilities. Thanks for watching and happy designing.